In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics 4 on Webflow. We'll walk through setting up your Google Analytics 4 web stream and adding the Google tag to your Webflow site so you can start collecting accurate traffic data. First, sign into Google Analytics. If you've just created your account or property, you'll be guided to choose a data collection platform. Select Web as your platform. This tells Analytics that you want to track a website, not an app, and it creates a web data stream that will generate the tag you need. Next, add your published website URL. Enter the full address exactly as visitors see it, including HTTPS. If you have multiple domains, choose your primary domain, not a staging preview link. Give the stream a clear name so you can recognize it later. Double check the URL for typos. Analytics uses this to validate events and link previews. Then click Create and Continue. Google Analytics will set up the web stream and open an installation panel. Here you'll see the Google tag instructions. This is the gtag.js snippet that connects your site to GA4 along with a measurement ID specific to your stream. Copy your Google tag. Make sure you grab the entire script snippet from the opening script tag to the closing script tag. You'll paste this as is in Webflow without editing the ID. Now switch to Webflow, open your project's site settings and go to the custom code section. This area lets you add code that loads on every page of your site, which is exactly what you want for analytics. Paste the Google tag into the head code area. Keeping it in the head ensures it loads early and consistently. Avoid placing it in the body or adding the same tag in multiple places, as duplicates can inflate your metrics. Save your changes and then publish your site to your custom domain so the new code goes live. After publishing, give it a few minutes and then visit your site in a new browser tab to generate activity. If you don't see data right away, make sure you publish to the correct domain, that the tag appears only once in your site's head. Temporarily disable ad blockers and try visiting in an incognito window. Also note that reporting begins from the moment the tag goes live. GA4 does not backfill past traffic. That's it. Your Google tag is now installed on your Webflow site. From here, your real-time and ongoing data will begin flowing into Google Analytics 4, and you'll be ready to analyze traffic, engagement, and conversions. Congratulations.